Happiness is not another place, but this place. Not in another hour, but this hour. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Thalassemics India, I, Nehal Dhingra, extend a cheerful welcome to you all. We've all gathered here on this wonderful evening to celebrate 8th May, International Thalassemia Day, but with a difference. Before we move ahead, I have to mention many of you have made huge efforts to join us here today. We are deeply appreciative of your support and offer our most grateful welcome to you all. Happiness can be found in the darkest of times, if only one remembers to turn on the light. May I please invite Shubhaji, Tulyanti, Ms. Ritu Jain, Dr. Jagdish Chandar, and Mr. Ashwini Malik to join us on the stage for lamp lighting. Our little Anushka Belani will welcome Shubhaji with flowers. These flowers are our small voice to say thank you, Shubhaji, for making this 8th May so special for us. Our life is much like music, some high notes, some low notes, but always a beautiful song. A Vandana by our very talented and very melodious Shivangi Amrit. She graduated in the foundation course in music from KM Conservatory, Chennai, founded by the Oscar-winning composer Mr. A.R. Rahman himself. She also was a part of the audio launch of movie Queen and performed with Amit Trivedi Band. Is also a vocal coordinator for a Delhi-based music society called the House of Symphony, and recently her band Soul Nest got selected for recording workshop where the track was recorded as a part of the Indie 100 project. Shivangi Amrit, over to you. Thank you, Shivangi. I now request Mr. Shobha Tuli, Secretary, Thalassemics India, to welcome our guests.
On behalf of Thalassemics India, I give you all a very warm welcome to today's fundraising event in aid of underprivileged thalassemia patients. A very special welcome to Shubha Mudgalji and her troop. A big welcome to my thalassemic kids and their families and the doctors who are present here today. As you know, that today is World Thalassemia Day. This day is celebrated in more than 107 countries across the globe where thalassemia is a big health issue. In India, 1 to 17% of Indian population are carrying the genes of thalassemia. Thalassemia is a lifelong blood disorder passed down from both parents to their child. The treatment is very traumatic, not only for the child, but for the family also. It is expensive. 1 lakh to 2.5 lakh per child per year. The silver line of this disease is that it's a preventable blood disorder. It's very unfortunate that most of the population or the people living in India are not aware about this disease. Today is not only World Thalassemia Day, but Mother's Day also, and also Indian Red Cross Day. Having this opportunity, I would like to appeal to all of you who have taken their time out of their busy schedule to be with us, to encourage our children and to encourage and to support the cause. Please talk about thalassemia among your friends. It is preventable, and if you support us, I can guarantee you that we can move towards zero birth of thalassemics within the next 5 to 6 years. I would also like to urge all the would-be mothers or the ones who have their first child to please get your blood tested for thalassemia carrier, because the risk rate is quite high. This disease is also prevalent in certain communities like Jainis, Bengalis, Maharashtrians, Punjabis, Sindhis, and Gujaratis also. Another appeal on behalf of my organization, please make donation a regular habit, be it your blood, because children live on your blood, on your support. And also, we have the pamphlets kept outside. If you can take few of them, and if you wish to support us, to give support to our children, so that we can buy free of cost medicines for these children, so that they can live long, we'll be very grateful to you. Before I hand over the stage to Nehal, I would like to share with you one information. Shubha Mudgalji has shown support for this cause, and I'm very privileged and honored to tell you that she has not taken any money from us. So please give her a big hand. I'm very grateful to our troop also, and one of the member troops, Anish Pradhanji also, who has not taken any money from us. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आज आपका यहाँ आने पे और हमारा हौसला अफजाई करने के लिए. मैं तो शुभा मुदगल जी की फ़ैन हुई, और मुझे मालूम है कि जो लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं वो सब शुभा मुदगल जी को सुनने के लिए उत्सुक हैं. सो स्टेज टू नेहल एंड टू शुभा मुदगल जी.
थैंक यू आंटी। आंखों में मंजिलें थी, गिरे और संभलते रहे। आंधियों में क्या दम था, चिराग हवा में भी जलते रहे। This date, 8th May, holds a very special place in our lives. I want to thank all the doctors, health professionals, and blood banks who have worked endlessly for all of us. Also, we celebrate and we would wish to continue to celebrate Thalassemia Day to make this community, society, nation, and this world free of thalassemia. And above all, to celebrate our spirit, our fight for getting an equal chance and a healthy, normal living. They say strength doesn't come from what you can do, it comes from overcoming the things you thought you couldn't. So, to all the strong and courageous people out here, here's wishing you a very, very happy Thalassemia Day. Before we proceed, I would like to say a big thank you to each and every one of you who are here to support us. Mr. Harish Narula, Air Force Auditorium, and all the other corporates and individuals who have helped us make today possible. Thank you so much. The power of speaking is in holding back. Saying nothing is a kind of disclosure. The music for Koshish uses these elements of understatement and restraint by making the unsaid a focal deriving point. Koshish uses a subtle blend of variety of musical influences to create music that is powerful yet restrained, contemporary and yet with roots in tradition. Set to music by Shubha Mudgalji and Anish Pradhan individually and at times jointly, a variety of musical influences ranging from North Indian music to Western art music and jazz are evident in the compositions. These diverse colors are also present in the musical arrangement brought alive by the members of the ensemble who, though trained in diverse musical traditions, are equally inspired by the poetry selected for this work. The ensemble features Shubha Mudgalji, a popular performer and composer. She has been trained by some of the finest classical musicians of the country, namely Pandit Ram Ashraya Jha, Pandit Vinay Chandra Modgalya, Pandit Vasant Thakkar, Pandit Jitendra Abhisheki, Pandit Kumar Gandharv, and Srimati Naina Devi. Her readiness to experiment makes her a versatile performer in the fields of both North Indian art music as well as contemporary popular music, with Srijan Mahajan on the drums, Anish Pradhan on tabla, Gaurav Balani on bass, Anil Chawla on keyboard, and Aditya Balani on guitar. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our very own Shobha Mudgalji.
Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here. I know you have very, very busy lives with many, many commitments and engagements, but that you chose to be here today to support the cause of thalassemic patients is something that I would like to thank you for. Thank you for being here. When Nanni asked us to perform for thalassemic patients, I know that I wouldn't have been able to do this alone. And really, it is the support of each of my colleagues who are not only wonderful, very, very eminent, very popular musicians, but very, very fine human beings who gave me the support and said, yes, we'll all pitch in. So this team really made it possible for us to be here, and I thank the entire team. But I also know that the team on this side of the stage is one part of the team, but there's a very important side of the team which comprises of all of you. And your being here means that you're supporting the cause, but as was you were informed a while ago, there are many ways in which you can help further. Please, please do support this very, very noble cause. Special appeal from us. We'd be very grateful if you supported. So this very humble offering of music to help raise funds, to provide some comfort to children who are suffering from thalassemia. The only way we know, musicians, all of us, artists, we only know one way of helping, and that is to make music. So I won't say any more, and I'll start with the music.
माथे पे ये बल खा के हिल जाएंगी गहराइयाँ हमकी सांसों के शहर में। देखो तो जरा बोलती हैं क्या परछाइयाँ, कहने को अब बाकी है क्या, आंखों ने सब कह तो दिया, कहने को अब बाकी है क्या, आंखों ने सब कह तो दिया। हाँ जाओ 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 पिया सीखो ना नैनों की भाषा पिया, कह रही तुमसे ये खामोशियाँ, सीखो ना पिया, लगता ना खोलूं कि मैं समझो दिल की बोली, सीखो ना नैनों की भाषा पिया।
Thank you so much.
Before I call upon Nehal for the formal thanks, I would like to invite my colleagues onto the stage. Dr. Gautam Bose, Ritu Jain, Rekha Arora, Ashwini Malik, Deepak Dhingra. Anubha, are you here? This function would not have been possible without their support and cooperation. I would also like to call upon Rashmi, Sheila and Rito onto the stage, please. We all have worked, please come on stage. We all have worked like a team, day and night, to see you come here to enjoy Shobha Mudgal's evening. A very special thanks to Gagan, Nanni, who made sure that all arrangements are in place. Some of us must be looking little older, but our society, Thalassemics India, is very, very young, is 30 years old. It was registered in 1986 in the month of April. So we are just few days more than 30 years. We are working day and night for these children. We urge upon you once again, please come forward and support these children. Thank you very much, Shubha Mudgal ji and her troop. Over to Nehal, please.
Yes. So I'm delighted to announce that Dr. Anupam Sibal, Director, Apollo Hospitals, has written a wonderful book, Is Your Child Ready to Face the World? And he has personally signed the copies which we are presenting to the troop members here. I also request all of you to kindly buy your copies that are available right outside. I request Tulyanti to please felicitate Shubha Mudgal ji. Can we have a huge round of applause for her? And also the lovely, wonderful artists out here, Srijan Mahajan, Anish Pradhan, Gaurav Balani, Anil Chawla, Aditya Balani, and Sudhir Nair ji. A big, big thank you to Trinidad De Goey, Nandu Nimbalkar, and Ricky Soni for putting it all together. Can we have Trinidad and Nandu over the stage? You guys were wonderful. I request everyone to please be seated. Remain seated, the best is yet to come. All right. Shubha ji, may I please request you to stay here on the stage? The day is very special for all of us, and I'm sure the thalassemia kids present here would love to get a picture clicked with you. I request all the thalassemia children here to please join us on the stage for a photograph with Shubha ji.
And I take great privilege in saying that today's entire function, right from organizing to conducting to bringing you all in to making sure everybody was comfortable and emceeing, has been done by all our thalassemic children. So a big round of applause for them. Also request Mr. Narula to please come up on stage. He has been supporting Thalassemics India for all our events. Please, come.
Thank you everyone for being such a lovely audience. Hope you enjoyed the show as much as we did preparing it for you people. Stay in touch with us at Thalassemics India. We constantly need your support. Thank you so much. I request all the thalassemic children and the parents to please take the A2 exit right here and collect your packed dinner boxes and gifts. Thank you.